Okay, so now what we're going to learn? Now we're going to learn offset. Okay.
Okay.
This beautiful command of offset. Actually, offset is one of the, let's say, many people's favorite command. Offset.
Yes.
Okay. Offset. Okay. Offset can do many tricks which we will be doing here. Okay. Don't worry. We're coming to do something here fancy. It's called a car parking area. When I come there, I will teach you that. Okay. Anyway. So what is offset? Offset means what? Offset means what? Actually, go ahead. What do you think is offset?
Double or triple, like increasing of same object.
Increasing, yeah. There's something. Actually, what you're trying to tell me is, John, it is going to increase. Increase. Can I use the word copy?
Yeah, copy. Of course.
Isn't it beautiful? Offset means what? Increasing. What you said is actually beautiful answer. Increase. For example, what? I want, like this same object, I want one more object.
Yes.
But here, actually what you are trying to tell is, I want a copy with a distance. Let's say distance, isn't it? Copy plus some distance.
Yes.
If you understood this is called actually what? Offset. I want to create one more copy of this object. Okay, it can also say, in some cases I can also call copy with some scale. Scale means what? I want, for example, this object here. What is this? Let's say this is a rectangle or it's a square. Okay, I want to make it a bit smaller here, but at a distance. This distance has to be there. Isn't it? Does not make sense. Okay, let's say I have that same object which is there on top. Okay, it does not make sense I have the copy at the same place. You say, John, what are you drinking? Isn't it? No point in having it at the same place. You want it either to be inside
Or outside.
Excellent. Genius. Isn't it? Any comments?
No.
Isn't it? Same story here. Okay. For example, let me just ask. This is just trying to be, I'm just asking you a simple question. Okay. I have this object here. Okay. See, I'm not trying to test you, but just a question like that. Okay. I have an object here. Any comments? I want the same object here. What would I do? This is original object.
Okay. Move. Copy. Same copy command.
You are called genius. Okay. Isn't it? But, okay, very good. Yeah, this is called copy. Original will kept there and copy will create. If I want to move the original, it is called move. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Genius. Beautiful. Okay, let me ask another question. Okay. You ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I have the same object here. Okay, but I want it to be there only. Okay, let's say that object I want to be there only. Okay. Instead of this object, let me just make another object. Let's say this object. Okay. I am happy here. I think you can give me 2-3 answers for this. Okay, this is let me just drop this alien work. Okay, listen. This is the original object. Any comments? This object I'm just drawn it here. With me? Okay. I think you can give me at least 2 or 3 methods. Let's say 2 methods easily to give me this answer. I have this object here. I want to create one more object here. Just this side. How would I do it?
First is, as you are saying, human method, calculating lines, drawing beside.
Beautiful.
And second thing is mirror.
Beautiful. I was looking for a mirror answer. That's a better option. Okay, another.
I'm not sure, but copy. Yeah.
Copy can do the job, isn't it? I think I would look. If I was looking, I would look for mirror, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't mirror would be the best? I would think the best option. Just make a mirror here. Select this, and this. Make a mirror, isn't it? You will get exactly mirror object.
Yes.
I think mirror would do the job. Line would be for humans.
Yes.
Waste of time. You need to know the measurement. How much is this? You need to know measurement. Isn't it? Really waste of time. Mirror would do the job 100%. Even copy would do. You select these 3 objects, and okay, another just one random question. Okay. See, I'm not trying to test you. Okay, just kind of like say like a brush up. Okay. Let's say, just imagine. I think you know the question. Now, when I said that line, I think you got the question and answer also. I think you got the answer. You got the question, you got the answer also, isn't it?
Yeah, polyline.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have a line here. Okay, I have a polyline here. Okay, now who you have to remember to get? How do you convert a line to polyline? You have to remember somebody. Okay, what is the command? Line to polyline. How do you convert a line to polyline? You know what's a line? A line is what? Separate objects, isn't it?
Join.
Beautiful, isn't it? Not John, it is join.
Yes.
Isn't it? Instead of H, you put I. Join, isn't it? And then from polyline to line,
explode.
Okay, the word is here, explode. We learned that today. I think you know how to do it.
Yes.
I think excellent. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I think enough of the revision. Let's come back to the story, isn't it? We're learning offset. Any comments?
No.
Okay, listen. So offset. Offset is found. Do you know where is offset? It is this guy. This is the command. This is the symbol for offset. Okay. Offset. Yeah. Okay. You can put O, enter, offset. Okay. Offset. See, for offset you have different methods. Okay. Either you select the object, type offset, OFF or O enter. Okay. O enter would do the job. Any comments? See, when I press O, I can see it here. Okay. I can come and click. Okay. Now what he asks, specify the distance. Specify the distance means what? From now, for example, this is, let's say, can I call this
gap?
Yes, the gap. Beautiful, good word. Gap. Exactly. Can I call this the original object? Okay, and then the next object, when I create that gap, is asking the distance. Isn't it? That is called gap, what you said, isn't it? Any comments? That's what he said. So first thing is what? Let's say the procedure. Procedure for what? Procedure for offset. Isn't it? First thing what? Select the object. Any comments?
No.
Okay. Then call your friend who? Offset. Press enter. Okay. If you, I think you know this. Then he asks you enter the distance, which we call him gap. Which we call gap. Is in other words, i.e. gap. Okay, and then you move your mouse where you want to keep move the mouse. Okay, when I talk about move the mouse where you want to keep the new object, isn't it? New scaled object. Isn't it? In some cases scale will not be required. For example, if I keep a line, it will not be scaling this side, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Where else did we have this concept of move the mouse to position an object? Move the mouse. Somewhere down the hill we have, if I move here, I can place that object here. If I move here, object will be placed here. If I move down, object will be placed down. If I move here, remember a rectangle?
Yes. What?
Rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangle down the hill procedure. Somewhere I told, no? If I move the mouse first quadrant, isn't it? Rectangle will be here. If I move the mouse here, rectangle will be here. Isn't it? If I move the mouse, I think you get the picture.
Yes.
Anyway, we are talking about offset. Let us be in offset, isn't it? Okay, let's rub this and then let's move with this. Okay, let's say the procedure. Okay, I think we have it. You've seen the offset, isn't it? Listen. So what we do is first select the object. Any comments? Click your friend offset. Okay, then he asks you specify the distance. See, you have different methods. Okay, either you type in a number, let's say 2 units. Okay, or okay, you have two methods. Okay, either you type the distance. Okay, I have here, let's say another path. Okay, either you, I say enter the distance, isn't it? Enter distance. Okay, instead of entering the distance, I can select 2 points. I can select this point and this point. That means what? I'm telling AutoCAD, this gap from here to here, I want another object with this gap. I give you an example, things will be clear. Okay, listen. For example, I selected the object. Clear?
Okay.
I click offset. Or let's say type offset. Whatever you like offset. Whatever. Okay. Okay. See, one method would be I type the number. Let's say 5 units, 10 units, whichever units. Okay. Okay. The second method would be I select this point. Can you see this point? This point.
Yes.
I am left clicking. Okay. Left click this point once. You see this now become like, measuring scale, like a scale. Can you see these dotted lines on my mouse? If I click this point, AutoCAD will tell me the distance between these 2 points. Okay, I'm again left clicking. Can you see this? It showed me, John, it is 16 units. Then he asked me, where do you want to move? This is the fourth position, fourth point. Move the mouse where you want to keep the new scaled object. If I want this side, it will be there. If I want here, I left click again. Khalas. Is it clear?
Yes, clear. But better one more time.
Yes, I think one example would do better, isn't do the job perfect. Listen again. Let me just let me just rub my alien work. Okay, listen. Now let's suppose, okay, let me ask this question to you and then we will move forward. Okay, let me just keep this as a color so you will not get confused. Is it visible or this is visible? Which is visible?
Yes.
Which color would you like?
Anything red.
Red would do good. Okay, red. Okay, listen. Now let's suppose I want to create one more line. Okay, this object is there. I want to create one more line here. Okay, this is my final product. Okay. See, you can do copy. I would say you can do copy, but you need to know the angle. Isn't it? Headache. It is a headache method if I want to do copy. At this angle I have to know, isn't it? Parallelly I have to draw. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, what is the question is, this gap, let's say, can I call this x?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
sure.
This x is equal to, I want this x to be this length. Okay, I think this, the gap looks very big, but I want, let's say this is, I do not know how much is it, let's say 5 units. Just give me an example. Okay, so I want to draw one more line. This is the extra line, new line, but that gap has to be between, let's say, between this to this. This much gap, I want to draw one more line. Is it clear? Okay, let me give an example, things will be clear. Listen, for example, now, I selected the procedure, select the object. This is clear. Type offset. Okay, now I want to know the distance. What is x? X is from this point to this point. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because AutoCAD don't know what is x, isn't it? I have to tell him, I want this to point, this point. You measure. He selects these 2 points. Then, you see?
Okay.
He asked you want to place this side or this side. I think then you got the picture. See, this 16 from where he got? This 16 he got because of this length.
Yes. You got.
Is it clear? Right.
Yes.
Okay. There is one small catch here. I've written a new scaled object. Scaled means what? For example, this is a closed object. That time it has to be a scaled object. It becomes smaller. If you're inside, it becomes smaller. If it is outside, it becomes bigger. Any comments?
No.
Okay, we're going to do something beautiful here. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, it is.
Okay, this procedure, I hope you took screenshot or you took notes or whatever, and then I will give you one question is coming to you. That's why. Okay, be ready. Isn't it? Okay, let me just rub this alien. Isn't the procedure is here? This is the select the object, offset, whatever. Okay, listen. I have one question for you. Okay, you will be happy. Okay, listen. You know what is this? This is called, I think you know this, isn't it? We are not in Bangladesh or something, isn't it? We know this is called parking lot, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay, you know what is the question? Okay. Question is as follows. Okay, listen, I will help you with one. Listen, I will just copy this corner
Yeah, got it.
to this one. Okay, now the question is as follows.
Civil distance, I have to, hello?
Yes,
design
Yes.
in middle parking lots.
True. I want you to find something like this, okay? Whatever. I'm drawing in hand. I get the picture. But this
Yes.
gap has to be equal to this gap.
Yes, okay.
After you finish, I need it to be opposite side also. Sure, isn't it? Does not make sense that one side is gap and other side is.
Yes.
You know what I'm thinking now, isn't it? I will give you the mouse. Try to do it, and try to. I think you'll be able to do it. Do it slowly. Do it. Yeah. Think if you want the procedure. Just you want me to show the procedure, or you got the idea.
First part I got that idea. Second part,
Yes.
hopefully I will have to do.
I think you will be able to do it. Okay. First, okay, you have to do it, not I have to do it, isn't it? Did we zoom too much? No worries. Okay. First, select the object which you like to select. That object, you like to select the bottom object.
What do you mean by bottom?
See, this is, listen, 1 second. I think you didn't get my question correct. Listen. This is, one line is here already.
Okay.
It is like this line.
Okay.
This is fixed, let's say, original object. I want to create new line like this, which is at,
Yes, got it. Got it.
I think I gave hint for you, which is, I think, you get the picture.
Before I did not see this line.
Yes, that's why I told I will help you get that line, isn't it? I have done the line. Select that line. Very good. Now you have to click once more. If you're getting confusion, I'll tell you one thing. Press escape, do it again, but zoom and do it. Listen, 1 second. I'll tell you one thing. Just one second. I think this view would be good. Yeah. Okay. Now select the object. I think you do it. Okay. Select the object. Good. Click offset.
Okay.
Click once. Click other. Beautiful. Did you click the other way? Did you not click the second point? Click the second point once more. Yeah. Click once more. Left click.
I did.
Click once more. I think it is not clicked here because yeah.
Just a second.
Slowly. Good.
Okay.
Good. Click. Left click. What happened? Listen. Try once more. Yeah. I think it's because of the connection or something like this.
Oh, I think my mouse, I don't know.
Mouse is playing with you.
Yeah, maybe damaged.
Oh God.
So I'm using now
Laptop mouse. That is causing danger. Okay. Click. Left click. Good.
Yes.
Okay. Again, select the object. Move your mouse this side. Move your mouse towards the left side. Very good. No, left side. No, not required. Just move your left to the left side. Click. Again, select the object. Move your mouse left click. Listen, there is one small trick here, okay? With me? Select the object. Listen. When you select 1 minute, before you click towards the left side, okay? Can you see multiple here?
Yes.
Click multiple. Okay, if you click multiple, click once, left click. Okay, then what you do, keep your mouse here far. See, where is my mouse? On the left side, isn't it?
Okay.
Keep left clicking. Left click. Just keep left click once, twice. Left click. Click. Keep clicking. Automatic he will do. Once more. Yes. Perfect. Then we can rub those two lines, isn't it? When you are happy, press escape. In the sense, when you finish the job, you can press escape. I think you've done the job, isn't it? Half you have done.
Yes.
Press
Again, with
press escape. Yeah, go ahead. You have a question. Beautiful. Isn't it?
yes.
Now you know what is the second question coming up for you.
Yeah.
I want it down also. Not only one side parking, other side also parking. Isn't it? Does not make sense that I have one side parking, other side no parking. Waste of space. How would I do it? Think. You may not be using offset, you will be using some other command which we learnt.
Yeah, of course, mirror.
Do it then.
I think first I have to select object, correct?
Objects.
Objects?
Yes.
Okay.
I think, did you get my question?
Yes. You mean to say all these objects?
True. They are objects, isn't lines, let's say.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, listen, I want you to select the middle line accidentally, by mistake. Select the middle line. I know you won't be selecting it, select it. Okay, select it. I want you to remove it. How would you remove it?
Again click?
No, shift. Press shift to remove, no? Selection. Yeah, very good. Okay, now you selected the object. Half job done. I need the remaining job. How? I click mirror, isn't it? I call my friend mirror.
Yes.
Call him. Okay, what you do?
For that,
Yes.
2 points.
Yes, that 2 points is where I keep the mirror, isn't it?
Yes. I think this is the one, correct?
You can click anywhere. I will teach you another. Okay, good. No, it's good. What you're doing is good. Do it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Very good. You can click anywhere on that line. Click. Do you want to erase the source?
Yes.
No, I do not. No, I don't want. Yeah.
Yes.
This looks good, isn't it?
Yes.
Parking lot. John, I become civil engineer, isn't it? Anyway, that's a good joke. Anyway, listen. Good. Is there anything else? No. Listen. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, you've done something very good. I appreciate what you have done. First time you have finished the whole drawing, isn't it? Perfectly. Isn't it?
Okay.
It looks a professional drawing. Seriously, it looks you've done a good job. Seriously, good job. Okay, but listen, I try to help you with, what you have done is good. I wouldn't say what you have not done. You've done the job. John, I finished it. Beautiful. Okay, but I think, I'd like to help you somewhere. Do you mind?
No.
Okay, listen, what you've done is good. I would say you got 5 stars for it. Seriously, you've done the job. Beautiful. Job done. Appreciated. Method done. Everything you have done is good. Okay, excellent, I would say, not good, excellent. But slightly I will try to make it a bit easier what you have done. Any comments?
Oh.
Can I rub it?
No, sure.
Really, what you have done is good method. What you have done is excellent. But I will try to put little bit of John's masala. Okay. Seriously, if I would say 10 out of 10, you've got 10 out of 10. I am not telling you. Seriously, you have done 10 out of 10. You have done the job. Okay. What you've done, I will do the same thing. But I will select different points, which will make it easier for me, less stressful. Okay. I do not want to listen. I don't want to de-promote you, but seriously, 10 out of 10 you got for this. I am not joking. Okay. I just teach you something which would be, I think, will be helpful for you also. Listen. I just rub it. Okay. Listen. First thing what I did, I moved this line. This everybody. I also did. You also did. Isn't it? Not a big headache.
Yes.
Okay, listen. What I would have done is, listen. I moved it. I did not copy it. Okay, this is a bad habit. But okay, this is a bad thing, isn't it? I moved the line, isn't it? Just a second. Copy, not move it, isn't it? Okay, listen. This is done. This is done, isn't it? This was where we started initially. Any comments? Listen, what I would do, okay, first I would select the object. This you did, I did, same story, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay, then you clicked, where is this, what is this guy called, fillet, not
Offset.
offset, sorry. Okay, instead of going, from this point to this point, okay,
Okay.
I think you did something like this, isn't it? I don't remember. I think you did this to this. This is good. How about we selecting this point and this point, which is easier to see,
Yes.
isn't it? Same story, okay, and then you can click like this once, and then click like this, and then I taught you multiple, click multiple, isn't it? Go down, multiple, and come here and click, isn't it? This is what you did. Excellent what you did, okay, excellent. Any comments?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to tell you, instead of clicking there, click here. Anyway, you got the job done, isn't it? No comments, no complaints here.
Yes.
Okay, listen. Another thing, what I like, what you can select this, isn't it? I told you select this and then press shift to remove it. That's what I told you. Just for brush up, isn't it?
Yes.
Then you clicked mirror. Where is your friend mirror? Here it is, isn't it? Okay, listen. Instead of going, from this corner to this corner, and here a lot of congestion is there, I can click any point. Okay, any point on the, because mirror, if it is here or here, mirror is mirror.
Yes.
You get the.
I did not understand that last
Yes,
point.
yes. Little bit, I think for that I have to just tell hello to my friend mirror. I opened for this reason. Listen, this is the source object. Can I call the source object?
Yes.
Source or original object, let's say. Okay. I want to create one more mirror like this. I want to create a car which is something like this. Isn't it? Hand drawing. Any comments? But in a better way. Okay. See the trick in a mirror. Okay. Don't think. What I want to tell the viewers. Don't use English meaning. Don't use science meaning. Because mirror means what? If your mirror is placed full here, then only you will get the mirror, isn't it? This is what we thought when we learnt in science. If you place the whole mirror like this, then only, if mirror is not here, you will not get the remaining object. That is scientifically proven.
Yes.
But in AutoCAD, not required like that. Okay, in AutoCAD, even if I just make one small mirror here, this much full line, full drawing will be there. I will explain you what I mean in a minute. Okay, let me just rub what I did. Okay, listen. For example, as usual, I have to select the object, isn't it? My object is selected. This is clear. Like for example, in the offset thing, I selected those lines.
Okay.
Done. Where is mirror? Okay. I selected the object. Any comments here? Okay. The trick is where you keep the mirror, isn't it? If I keep mirror here, gap will be there. Okay. My story was, okay, see in this case you can come here and click this point. Okay. If I click this point, you will get the answer. Even if I click here, I will get there. You see, this is the first point. First point is here, isn't it?
Yes.
Even if I click, you see, mirror is only this much.
Yes, understood it.
I hope it is clear.
Yes.
Same story for this lines. Okay, if I had, for example, selected these objects, click a mirror, I can just keep the mirror here to here. That's it. Enough. No going, isn't it?
Yes.
I think it's sure. It looks beautiful, isn't it? It looks perfectly aligned. It does not tell that we made separate.
Yes.
Okay. I hope this much is clear. Okay. I think we move forward in next, let's say, part, isn't it?